All right, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm back at it again with another exciting matchup for you guys here tonight, and this is an exciting one for me. I got two powerhouse American cars, and on my right, let me welcome a brand new car on the channel. This is a 2016 C7 Z06. Now it's modified pretty well. First and foremost, he's got a Magnuson 2650 Supercharger, throttle body intake, both upper and lower pulley, long tube headers, X-pipe, and meth injection. And he's currently running on 93 octane right now. And he is making low 900s to the wheels, apparently. And he's equipped with the 8-speed automatic with the TCU tune. And he's running on Mickey Thompson ET Street Art tires. Now these cars weigh somewhere around 3,500 pounds. And he's gonna be running up against a 2019 Mustang GT. Now this is a serious build. This is as a fully built engine with a custom 67mm turbos. It's on stock cams and full supporting mods. Now at his highest boost setting, he made over 1,600 wheel horsepower. But on this current map that he's running on now, it ranges anywhere from 800 to to about 950 wheel because it's boost by gear. He is running on E85. He's got a fully built transmission, and he's also running on Mickey Thompson ET Street Art tires, and he weighs somewhere around 3,700 pounds. So I think this is going to be an interesting race. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the Mustang. Pretty excited about this one. And I'm also back here with the race box. Now, I know many of you guys have really wanted to see a kilometers per hour. So I ended up setting it to do both kilometers per hour and miles per hour for 60 to 130. So I hope you guys will be pleased with this. So here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna do a 60 roll as soon as we get down the hill. Wait, hold on, wait. Are you ready? Turn off your AC. All right, guys, on to round two. We're gonna do a 50 roll. So this is gonna be a much better time for the 60 to 130. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we have here. So we did a 60 to 130 in 5.48 and a 100 to 200 kilometers per hour in 4.76. All right, guys, on to the last and final round for the tiebreaker. We're gonna do a 50 roll. 50 roll. Go. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? No, hold on. 5.62, 60 to 130. And we did a 4.89, 100 to 200. And that's with 2 of us in the car, guys.
And intercooler temps skyrocketed there. That was definitely my last pull.
Alright, guys. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.